Welcome. We will show you how to use Possian Table Service. We will start by registering. Please remember the company code because you and your users will use this company code for each login. Once you are registered, we can create our first store. Here you can change the currency of the store. Choose the type of store. If you want to use takeaway sales, choose here. Cash and credit card payment types are enabled by default. You can enable which payment types you want, or you can create your own. The system will add sample sections, tables, menu and products for you. We will design our menu. You can change order of menu by dragging. You can add submenus to menu. We will add products by selecting menu. You can add cost price for profit calculations. You can assign a kitchen and printer to product. We will do it later. You can define addable, removable features with different prices for product. You can enable stock tracking by clicking here. You will receive a notification when the stock level goes below the critical value. You can use the kitchen screen to get orders real-time from the waiter. To do this, you need to define your kitchens and assign them to a product. You can define multiple kitchen screens for each store. Now we will assign kitchen to product. You can define selection groups if your products have common options in the selection groups menu, such as size selection, or extra pizza toppings. Now we will add a new product with selection group. We can assign multiple selection group to the product. You can edit sections and table numbers in the Section and Tables menu. You can add your users in the Users menu. You can use an email or username for your users. Set a temporary password for the user's first login. You can assign roles and stores to your users. You can change permission of roles and you can define your own roles. The first column is read permission. If you do not have read permission for sales, you will not be able to see sales. Second column is add and update permission, and last one is delete permission. You can reduce the permission of your managers if you want. Table Service. Select a table to create a new order. Add products to the order by selecting products. Added products will be added to the left list. If product out of stock, you cannot add it, you have to add stock. Now we will add stock to the product. You can add multiple features for one product. We will add extra toppings for a pizza. You can change the section here. To complete an order, go to Payment section. Select the payment type that you will receive. For other payment types, click Other button. Complete button will appear once order is paid in full. You can receive partial payments by selecting products. Selected products will be displayed in green, which means they are paid. You can hide paid products to find unpaid products more easily. You can select payment amount using the keypad. The remaining total is now 14. You can print the receipt if you have a receipt printer. Now we'll merge two orders. We have created order for table 15. And we also have created an order for table 17. Now we have orders on tables 15 and 17, we will merge them. Click Edit and Merge. Select a table you want to merge with. All orders will be transferred to table 17. You can also change the table of order. Select an empty table. The order will be moved to Table 19. You can add products or services that are not included in the menu. You can cancel the entire order by clicking Edit and Cancel. You will see canceled orders in the sales report with order details. You can delete a product from the order. Or you can reduce the product quantity. In the sales report you will see the quantity of the deleted product in this column, and the details about deleted products. You can change sorting by clicking the table header. In the dashboard you can see various statistics about today. The first one is the Product Profit Performance Report. You can see which product makes more profit in sales quantity. Second is the distribution of payment types. Third is the Store Profit Performance Report if you have multiple stores. And the last one is the User Performance Report. Here you can see total sales, profit and costs amount. Open, completed and cancelled order numbers, total and deleted product quantities for today. We have a time-based chart where we can see sales totals for each hour. We can filter by sales type and by store. The sales report is identical to the dashboard, but here we can select a date range. And we can see the whole sales list between selected range. For details you can click on the order. Now we will see how the kitchen screen works. Click on the kitchen you want to track in the menu. It will connect to our server to get orders in real time. Take an order. Once order is received, it will be sent directly to the kitchen. You can mark as preparing or done for each product or entire order. Once the order is marked as done, it will disappear from the kitchen screen. Here, we see 2 kitchens receiving orders from one table. You can use live support to get help. Or you can send an email to support@possian.com. To go to the Help Center, click on the question icon in the top menu and then click on Help Center. Help articles can be found here. Possian.com. Thanks for watching.